morning, students. Welcome to my class of Standard 10th subject Mathematics Part 2, Chapter 5, Coordinate Geometry. Dear students, in your previous standard, 9th standard, you have studied how to find out the distance between the 2 points. Okay? You know the formula to find out the distance between the 2 points. Higher coordinate minus lower coordinate. Okay? But in this standard, chapter 5, coordinate geometry. Okay? In this chapter, you are going to study to find out the distance. Okay? But by different formula. Why? Because the points lie on xy plane. Xy plane means on the graph. Suppose point A coordinate is 2, 3, and point B, which lies on the graph, coordinate is 5, 4. Suppose, let us take example. So here you can see there are two numbers here. This first one is for x, second one is for y. Here also it is same. First one will be for x, second one will be for y. So what we will do now, we will give x1, we will write here x1 and we will write here y1. For the first coordinate we will take x1, y1. And for the second coordinate we will take x2, y. Okay, to find out the distance between AB. Now which formula you will use? So in practice set 5.1 you are going to use only one formula. Full exercise you can solve with the help of that formula. And your formula is AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is the formula to find out the distance between 2 points. Again I am saying because these points lie on the graph. These points lie on the xy plane. That is why we are using this formula. Otherwise in 9th standard you know which formula you have used, because there was single coordinate, single point, okay, single point, single coordinate. But here we have two numbers xy, one for x, one for y, and second point B also we have two numbers there, one for x, one for y. That is why we are using this formula. Or you can use the formula like this also. AB is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Like this also you can use. Okay? ऐसा भी ले सकते हो. But in your textbook it is given in this manner. So I showed you first this. Otherwise both are correct. If you will solve by this method, either by this method or by this method, answer will be same only. So whichever method whichever is convenient for you, you can use for that. Okay? So I hope all of you understood the formula. Practice set 5.1 is related with this formula only. Full 5.1 practice set, you can use this formula. Okay, is that clear? So let's start practice set 5.1. Okay, now come to practice set 5.1, question number 1. First part, question number 1. A coordinate is given 2, 3 and B coordinate is given 4, 1. And we have told find the distance between each of the pair of the points. Find the distance. So first of all we will write here, we will assume, okay, x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x1 y1, x2 is 4, y2 is 1. First of all, you will write x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay. Now, by using distance formula, so AB is equal to square root of, okay, square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Why this formula I am taking? Because it is given in the textbook, that is why. Otherwise you can take x1 minus x2 also. Okay, x1 minus x2 also you can take. Is that clear? If you want, I will show you. Answer will be same. So here, let's see now. X2 is 4 minus x1. X1 is 2. Here x1 is positive. Okay. If it is negative, suppose, so this minus and this minus will become plus. Minus minus becomes plus. This you have to take care. Huh? Please note it down. Suppose here it is negative by chance. अगर यहाँ पर -2 है तो ये माइनस और ये माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस. नाउ इट इज पॉजिटिव ओनली. 4 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 is 1, 1 minus 3 the whole square. So very easy exercise it is. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square, and this will be -2. 1 minus 3 is -2, you know, all of you. Okay. So now 2 square is 4 and -2 square is also positive ना 4. माइनस का भी स्क्वायर करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव रहेगा. You know, minus square is also positive. So you will get root 8. Root 8 means you have to convert in mixed form. You know, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 होता है. 4 2s are 8. तो that means इसका स्क्वायर रूट आता है 2. So your answer is 2 root 2. Root 8 means 2 root 2. 4 2s are 8. You have to search the square number. Square number search करने का. इसमें square number कौन सा है? 4. 4 बाहर आ गया तो हो गया 2. 4 will come outside ना. इसके बाहर आ गया 4 तो becomes 2. 2 root 2 is the answer for this first one. Okay. So very easily we are getting the answer. Very simple exercise, no need to worry. Okay, and only one formula you are using, only this formula only you are using in full exercise. Is that clear? So this sum is over now. Okay, now come to sum number 2. Okay, 2 3 sums I will show you because it is of same type sum. Very easy. Here you can see P coordinate is -5, 7. Q coordinate is -1, 3. So first of all, here x1 and y1 we will find out. So x1 is -5, y1 is 7. x2 is -1 and y2 is 3. x1 y1, this is x2 y2. You have to mention, compulsory you have to mention. Okay, then you have to write by using distance formula. By using distance formula. This you have to write always because we are using distance formula. So distance formula for PQ. Now formula is same. Every time formula is same. I will not change. I will keep as it is only. Formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Same formula. Okay. So x2 is here minus 1. x2 is minus 1. Okay. Minus. And x1 is again negative here. See, x1 is negative. x1 is negative. Can you see? x2 is minus 1. I have written x2 minus 1 here. Then this middle minus sign I wrote here. This compulsory minus sign. Okay. And now x1 is minus 1. Minus 5. So this minus and this minus here will become plus. So I will write directly only minus 1 plus 5 the whole square plus y2 is 3 minus 7 the whole square. Please keep in mind. So minus 1 plus 5. Minus plus minus. All of you know very well minus plus is minus. 5 minus 1 will be 4. तो ये हो जाएगा 4 square plus 3 minus 7 is again minus 4. Minus 4 का square. So very easy. 4 square is 16 plus minus 4 square किया. Minus का भी square plus ही होता है. Definitely. You know very well 16. 16 plus 16 will be root 32. अभी रूट 32 नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इन मिक्स फॉर्म. मिक्स फॉर्म में लाके छोड़ने. तो मिक्स फॉर्म में क्या आएगा? व्हाट यू विल गेट इन मिक्स फॉर्म? यू हैव टू सर्च द स्क्वायर नंबर. इसमें स्क्वायर नंबर ढूंढना पड़ता है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू नो वेरी वेल 16 2 जा 32. 16 2 जा 32. राइट. अगर सपोज नहीं किसी को आता है, नहीं समझ में आता है ऐसा, देन यू विल यूज प्राइम फैक्टर. प्राइम फैक्टर मेथड यूज करने का. देन डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट इट. स्क्वायर नंबर यू विल गेट इन दैट. ऑल ऑफ यू नो प्राइम फैक्टर, राइट. प्राइम फैक्टर का मेथड देखो. ये तुमने प्राइम फैक्टर ले लिया इसका. आई विल जस्ट शो यू. 2 1 2, 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 2 1 2. हाँ, अभी ये दो में से एक वी विल सिलेक्ट. फ्रॉम दिस वी विल सिलेक्ट 1. मतलब इसमें से एक लिया, इसमें से एक लिया. ओके. 2 2 4 हो गया. 4 root 2 इज द आंसर फॉर दिस. 16 2 32. तो 16 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या आता है? 16 का स्क्वायर रूट आता है 4 ना. तो 4 root 2 is the answer for this. The distance of points between P and Q is 4 root 2. तो ये प्राइम फैक्टर के मेथड से यू हैव टू सी द ग्रुप ऑफ द सेम नंबर्स. कितना सेम नंबर्स आता है? देखो ये एक ग्रुप हो गया, ये एक ग्रुप हो गया. ये तो सिंगल है. सिंगल विल बी लाइक दैट ओनली. हाँ, तो इसमें से एक ले लिया, इसमें से एक ले लिया. 2 2 4. 4 is here outside. And inside root will inside root 2 this 2 will come. So if you don't know, you then at that time you are using prime factor. और जिसको आता है डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो यू कैन डू. 16 2 32 होता है. 16 का स्क्वायर रूट आता है 4. 16 का स्क्वायर रूट आता है 4. तो 4 मैंने बाहर लिख दिया इनसाइड 2. So very easy. Okay. Okay, now for practice set 5.1, sum number 3. Sum number 3 I am showing you. Why I am showing you? Because here it is in upon. So you will say, sir, upon वाला sum कैसा करने का? How to do upon वाला sum? But it is same way. Very easy. Don't worry. Only you are using only one formula, that is of distance formula. Otherwise it is very simple exercise. Okay. So let's see. Sum number 3. R coordinate is 0, -3 and S coordinate is 0, 5 upon 2. So here x1 is 0, y1 is -3, x2 is 0, y2 is 5 upon 2. By using distance formula. By using distance formula. So RS is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, all of you know this formula now definitely. अभी x2 क्या है तुम्हारा 0 minus 0 the whole square. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Okay, plus y2 is 5 upon 2 minus, okay, and here again minus 3 is there. Okay, minus 3 अगर मैं लिखूंगा ऐसा तो one step will be more because ये bracket open करना पड़ता है. Okay, which I have not showed you in the previous sum, but it's okay if you directly also if you will write, okay, it's okay. 5 upon 2 plus 3 the whole square. Okay, directly also you can write plus 3. Minus minus becomes plus. ये minus sign और ये minus sign becomes plus. Okay, directly also you can do. अच्छा, now ये तो 0 हो गया. 0 square is 0 only, so I will just write 0 plus. Now you have to equalize this. You know how to equalize this. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Cross multiplication. 1 5 is a 5. 1 5 is a 5. 2 3 is a 6. 1 5 is a 5. Correct? Plus 2 3 is a 6. Whole square. Square is there. Now 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 upon 2 the whole square. I am writing here. Square root of 11 upon 2 the whole square. 0, there is no value of 0, so 0, forget it now. Acha, now what to do? Very simple. This square and this square will get cancelled. ये square is square cut हो गया. There is no need to do the square. 11 square 21, 2 square 4. No need in this. ये दोनों cut हो गया. Your answer is 11 by 2. Distance between point R and S is 11 upon 2 is the answer. Very easily we got the answer for third one also. Now there are 3 more sums which you can do it very easily. I think so. Very easily you can complete 3 more sum of such type only. Okay. So that 3 sums you have to do it by yourself. I will not show. Okay. Now directly I will go to the second part. That is also same, but still I will show you that. Okay. Okay. Now come to the second part. Second part, you can see there are 3 points. Okay, and you have to determine whether the points are collinear or not. You have to mention that points are collinear or not. So how to show points are collinear? In your 9th standard you used to add, okay, two coordinates, okay, which should be equal to the third. Here also same way, but we have to use distance formula. In that also you were using distance formula, but that was different. Higher coordinate minus lower coordinate you used to do, but here this is different. So here you have to see first whether the points are collinear or not. For that we will use distance formula. Okay, so for distance between A and B. See, first you will find out the distance between A and B. Second time you will, in this sum you will find out distance between B and C. 3 बार करने का, 3 बार. And third time you will find out distance between A and C, first and last. So all 3 distance we have to find out. Then afterward we will check sum of the 2. It should be equal to the third one. If it is like that, then only the points are collinear. Otherwise points are non-collinear. So very easy. Now all of you know distance formula. Distance formula तो you know very easily. Okay, like parrot you can solve very fast. So for distance formula A and B, so here x1 is 1, y1 is -3, x2 is 2, y2 is -5. By using distance formula, okay, for AB. Second time we'll do for BC, okay, third time for AC. 3 times करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें, 3 times, okay. मार्क्स भी ज्यादा है इसका, you will get more marks. It is not of 2 marks, maybe of 3, okay. So here AB is equal to square root of, you know, formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So let's see what answer you are getting. x2 क्या है तुम्हारा 2, 2 minus 1 the whole square plus y2 is -5, okay. y2 is -5 and y1 is -3, so this minus and this minus becomes plus, okay. Directly I have written, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square plus 5 minus 3 is -2, -2 का स्क्वायर किया, तो what you will get now here, 1 square का 1, 2 square -2 square is 4, so here you got it √5. AB का डिस्टेंस आया √5. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट BC ऑल्सो लाइक दिस. BC का भी फाइंड करना पड़ेगा हमको और AC का भी फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, तीनों का फाइंड करना पड़ेगा एंड देन वी कैन चेक इट, ओके. Okay, now let us continue the sum. Now we will find out the distance between B and C. So here x1 will be 2, y1 will be -5, x2 will be -4 and y2 is 7. By using distance formula, okay, distance formula you know very well, and then we will continue now. इसका भी फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, okay. अदरवाइज इफ यू वांट इसको x1 दे सकते हैं, इसको x1, इसको y1, इसको x2, इसको y2, इसको x3, इसको y3, then also we can do it. There are different ways, okay. So I am showing you with the same method I am showing you so that you will not be confused. तो यही मेथड से बता रहा हूँ. Is that clear? So अभी हमको मालूम है ये मेथड, हमको we know very well, we have understood this method कैसा करना, तो वही मेथड कर रहे हैं. Okay, you can do by different methods as you know, don't worry, marks will be given to you. यहाँ पे x2 है तुम्हारा -4 minus x1 is 2 the whole square, y2 है तुम्हारा 7 minus y1 is -5, see y1 is -5, तो minus this minus and this minus becomes plus, okay. I am not mistaken. Okay, so now minus minus plus, you know very well minus minus plus होता है, ये हो जाएगा -6, बिगर नंबर साइन, बिगर नंबर साइन, -6 the whole square plus 7 plus 5 is 12, all of you know. Okay, so what you will get now, 6 square, -6 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो you will get 36, 12 का स्क्वायर किया तो you will get 144, okay. 36 plus 144 किया तो you will get √180. Now yes, now you have to bring in the mixed form, okay, you have to bring in the mixed form. Abhi you don't know which square number is in this. Those who are scholars, they will easily know this, but average and weak students, they don't know. So what to do now? So pay attention, okay. कौन सा भी नंबर होने दो, any number, you have to use your prime factor method as I told you. अभी इसमें हमको मिल जाएगा, okay, prime factor method, यही मेथड लेने का. Start with 2 because 0 in unit place 0, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, okay. Last unit place is 5 divided by 5, 5 9s are 45, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 1 ज़ा 3. ओके, अभी हमको क्या देखना है? वी विल सी द ग्रुप ऑफ टू नंबर्स. ये एक ग्रुप हो गया, राइट? ये एक ग्रुप हो गया. इसमें से एक लेने का, इसमें से एक लेने का. 2 3 ज़ा 6, 6 रूट 5, 6 रूट 5 इज द आंसर फॉर दिस. मतलब 36 5 ज़ा 180 हो गया. 6 रूट 5. तो वेरी इजीली वी गॉट PC ऑल्सो. अभी कौन सा करना है हमको? वी विल डू फॉर AC and then we will check. Okay, please copy it down. After this I'll show you of A and C. Okay, now let us continue once again. Same sum it is. Okay, question number 2 ka first one only we are doing. Now we will find out the distance between A and C. A and C. So this is x1, y1. x1 is 1, y1 is minus 3, x2 is minus 4 and y2 is 7. By using distance formula, okay, for AC, distance formula तुम्हारा क्या हो जाएगा? Distance formula all of you know, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. तो let's see now क्या है. x2 क्या है तुम्हारा? minus 4. okay, minus x1 is 1 plus y2 is 7 minus y1 is minus 3. see, y1 is minus, तो minus minus हो जाएगा plus. okay, so directly I wrote there. now minus minus plus, this will be minus 5, minus 5 the whole square plus 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 the whole square. so माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर किया तो 25 होता है. ऑल ऑफ यू नो. 10 का स्क्वायर किया तो 100. वेरी इजीली टोटल किया, यू विल गेट 125. अच्छा, नाउ ब्रिंग इन मिक्स फॉर्म. ऑल ऑफ यू नो दिस वेरी वेल. 25 5 125 होता है. 25 5 मतलब 5 रूट 5. 5 रूट 5 इज द आंसर फॉर दिस, फॉर AC. अच्छा, नाउ वी विल चेक सम ऑफ द टू. इट शुड बी इक्वल टू द third. Sum of the two should be equal to the third. So now you can see, you can check कौन सा दो प्लस करेंगे तो होएगा. You can see distance A comma B. This distance A comma B, right? Plus A comma C. Distance A comma B plus distance A comma C. This one AC का. okay, that is equal to distance. okay, which distance that will be equal to B comma C. ये तुम्हारा B comma C से इक्वल होता है. देखो कैसा, A comma B, what answer you got? A comma B का तुमको मिला था √5 प्लस, एंड डिस्टेंस A comma C का तुमको मिला है 5 √5. okay, that is equal to, this is nothing is there means 1. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. so 6 √5. so distance B comma C is 6 √5 only, which you got it. so sum of the two is equal to third. so you have to plus and you have to check. if it is like this, that means points are collinear. okay, therefore you have to write, therefore last statement, these points A, B and C are collinear. Points A, B and C are collinear. okay, sum of the two it should be equal to the third होना चाहिए. तो ये सब सम में क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 टोटल इसमें 4 सम है. one sum I showed you, remaining 3 easily you can do it, very easy, it is not hard. लेकिन in this you are using how many times? 3 times formula लेना है, 3 times. okay, there are also sums in this exercise. यही exercise में there are also sums in which you will use 4 times distance formula लेना पड़ेगा to show parallelogram, to show square, rhombus. अगर quadrilateral रहा ना तो एट दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, यू नो, 4 टाइम्स. 4 टाइम हम लोग यूज करते हैं फॉर्मूला. सो समटाइम इट इज 2 टाइम्स, समटाइम 3 टाइम्स, समटाइम 1 टाइम ओनली सिंपल रहेगा तो 1 टाइम. ओके, इसमें हम लोग ने कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स फाइंड करना रहेगा तो 3 टाइम्स यूज करना है. Okay, after using 3 times, again I am saying sum of the two it should be equal to the third होना चाहिए. This is very simple exercise, nothing is hard. Okay, so please do it. Please complete question number 1 full and question number 2 full. Both question number 1 and question number 2 you have to complete full. So in next video we will continue this practice. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.